Good evening, everybody. My name is Claude Camden. I'm a senior mechanical engineering student, and I'm also doing a co-op at ZF. It's an automotive supplier out in Livonia. So tonight we're going to take turns at introducing ourselves, and then we're going to talk about our topic, which is the pothole situation in Michigan.
Hi, my name is Samia Rahman, and I'm pursuing a mechanical engineering degree at Wayne State University, and this is my third year.
Hi, my name is Saeed Mazloom, and I'm currently pursuing a degree in mechanical engineering as well, and I'm also in my third year.
Hello everyone, my name is Mazen Saber. I am a mechanical engineering student here at Wayne State University, and I'm currently pursuing my senior year. We met together and discussed as a group, and we decided to work on the project titled Reducing the Number of Potholes in Michigan. For this oral briefing assignment, we will follow the following table of contents. 1. Topic description. I will take care of explaining this point. 2. Problems. 3. Objectives. 4. Significance. Saeed will take care of explaining those 3 points. 5. Contribution of team members. 6. Methods of communication. Samiha will take care of explaining those ones. 7. Schedule of the project. 8. Conclusion. Claude will take care of explaining these ones. Topic description. We decided to work on this following project because we would like to tackle a problem that touches the life of all of the Michiganders in their everyday life. Also by proposing some alternative solutions that could permanently solve the problem, as well as enhancing the quality and the safety of our roads, we will contribute to the society and the community to which we belong. We wanted also to discuss this issue because it touches particularly Wayne State University students, because it's known that the majority of students in this college are commuters, and we spend a great deal of time of our everyday life commuting and driving back and forth from home to work to school. For this project, we will discuss precisely the reason for potholes formation, the reason for the elevated number here in the state of Michigan, the direct and indirect problems that could be caused by this issue, the maintenance and repair methods, as well as some surveys and some interviews to receive some feedbacks. Our ultimate goal is to propose some alternative solution to permanently solve the problem, as well as increasing general public awareness about this issue, and give incentives to the people to report potholes instead of simply ignoring them and avoiding them. The organization to which we like to address is Michigan Department of Transportation, MDOT.
So the points listed below are the problems that are causing potholes in Michigan. So the first problem is Michigan's relatively high gas prices. So this is a problem because we're not paying enough money in taxes to repair the potholes in Michigan. So obviously money is a problem for repairing the potholes in Michigan. The second reason is state spending on roads. The state needs to provide more money to build better and safer roads in Michigan, and also to repair the potholes. The third reason is delaying the repairs of potholes. Delaying the repairs of potholes causes it's inefficient because it costs more money down the road to fix these potholes. The more time you leave a pothole, the more money it's going to cost to fix that pothole. And the fourth reason is inefficient solutions and machinery. This is another financial problem, so we need more money to purchase better and new equipment in order to repair these potholes properly. And also there are several other problems that we haven't looked into yet, and we will discover these in further research. So our objectives, obviously our number one objective is to increase funding to be invested in Michigan roads. We need to pay more in taxes in order to repair the potholes in Michigan. We need the state to provide more money, and we need the state to provide more money to repair the potholes as well. The second objective is to stop the delays in the repairing process of potholes. These delays are causing us to pay more money in the repairs of potholes. So obviously we need to stop these delays and get the job done right away. And obviously further research will give us alternative solutions to these problems for causing potholes.
One of the main significance of our topic is that potholes can cause a lot of damages to vehicles. One of the most common damage that can cause is uneven wear and tire damage. Hitting a really bad pothole could cause it could cause to bend rims, which could cause air leaks and flat tires. Collisions can occur from avoiding potholes. For example, drivers usually tend to avoid potholes while driving, and it can cause accidents and overall a dangerous environment for driving. And a lot of time could be wasted from trying to avoid potholes. It could cause drivers to be late to their destinations. It could also waste a lot of money as well, as you're trying to fix the flat tires and the damages caused on the vehicles. Contributions of team members. Saeed will be in charge. He is the project manager, so he'll be in charge of making sure we are meeting deadlines and we are on track. And he will also be contributing and helping us, helping the other team members in other ways, like whatever help we need. Mason, he is the assistant project manager. He will be editing, revising, formatting our research documents and our presentations. Claude and I, we will both be responsible for conducting interviews, and we will be conducting surveys as well. And some of the other duties we'll be doing are we'll be keeping agendas, we'll be taking notes, we'll be researching for information from scholarly articles and journals. So methods of communication. We plan on using WhatsApp the most, as it is easy to create group chats, and you don't have to download extra anything. It's just your phone number. We will be also using Skype, and Google Slides is a good way for presentations, as you need your Google account, and you can edit documents at the same time. Google Docs, same thing, and we will also be meeting in person every week.
Hello everybody again. My name is Claude, one more time. And before I get into my part of my presentation today, I just want to make sure that nobody has any question. So if there's no question, what I'm going to talk about is I want to talk about how we're going to spend our time, the time that we have, to make sure that we get our presentation done on time. So the first week that's ending today, what we did was we kind of pretty much had thought of the flow of our project, of our presentation. So how to organize all our ideas so that at the end we get to the conclusion that we want to get to. So it was pretty much organizing the project, and then all the templates, getting all of them ready. So the week coming up, which is the second week, what we're gonna, actually this is gonna be the second and the third week, because we're gonna focus on doing some research and conducting surveys and interviews to actually make sure we understand the gravity of the pothole situation in Michigan. So that's what we're going to focus on for the next 2 weeks. So the week after that, which is going to be the fourth week into our project, what we're going to do is we will actually start thinking about solution to the problem, right? So we now by this point we will know what the problem is. We will be able to explain what the problem is. Now we need to find solution for it. So then week 5, we will put everything together, and then the goal by that point is to kind of try to have a draft, our first draft. So by week 5, we want to have a draft of the project, the first draft. And then week 6, we will try to get some feedback on that draft. And then there's a group here on campus, it's called WRT Zone, and then we'll probably seek their help on this. And then the week following that, we will get those feedback and try to make sure, use the corrections to make a better project. And then all this is just to, we'll make sure that we have the presentation ready by the 8th week. So in short, what we are trying to do is, or what we will be doing is, we're gonna address the pothole situation. So first of all, we're gonna make sure that we understand the gravity of it, and then we're gonna do this by conducting some surveys and some research and some interviews. So that's the first part of the project. And then after that, we're gonna look for solutions. And then this is gonna be more research and then more brainstorming between all 4 of us. And then to do that, we're going to use, first of all, we are going to try to meet at least once a week. So all 4 of us, at least once a week. And then if not, we're going to try to, if we are not able to meet in person, we're going to try to use all the technology that we have available. Like Samia mentioned Skype earlier, so we can do conference calls on that. And then, so like I say, we're going to try to use all the technology available that we have to organize group meetings, online group meetings, and then to do our researches. Any questions? Please feel free to ask.